and now I have it. So it comes like this. This is the name of it, because there are a lot of other companies, I think, but this is what I got from eBay. So it comes like this. This is the box. Sorry, as you see, I didn't actually try it any until now, I mean, but now we open it together. So it's like that. We open it. So it comes in a box like that. So we have to open it. So yes, yeah. So this is a mirror which we're going to use in our car. So it has some buttons like that. I think this is for the power on, to power it on. This is for the menu. I don't know what's this. We will see. This is maybe for the volume, or to go up and down to in the menu, and this is to press OK. From the back side, I think now it's on. I don't know why. Yeah. So this is the camera as you see it. Yeah. So anyway, it has, I think this is when it, for the speaker or some maybe, or when it gets warm or something like that. And there is here a reset button, can I say it like this, when you want to reset it. So it's like a router for the internet. And here there is a mic, as you see, because it can makes when it records, it can record the video with a voice. That's why it has a mic. And this is the back side of it, which has a camera here, and I don't know why it's actually this, for maybe another speaker or something. So, and this is where you just hang it to your other mirror, which is already in your car. And yeah, as I saw before I buy it, you can, with these rubber two things, you can actually put it here to be more clear. So you put it like this, and then here, and then it hangs in your car. So from the upper side, this is where you put the power cable. Here it has another camera which you record the back side of the car when you want to park or something. This one actually, this one we will open it later to show it to you, but here you put the where the cable goes in, and here you can use an SD card when you record some videos or something like that. Or actually it goes automatically when you just turn your car on. So it goes automatically, and it starts to record immediately videos. From the other side, it has nothing, just from as we saw like that. So you put this aside, and then we go to another camera, open it. So here, this is the camera which you put it in the back side. So it has LEDs, I think for the night, to see clearly to the back of the car when you park on, or yeah, just to give a little bit better quality in the photo, I mean. So it's like that, and it has a cable here which you put it. It comes with this. It's a real long cable. It ends with this, which we said you can put it here. Yeah, it's now off. So we put it here up, as we saw it here, and then from this side you can put your camera. And which I noticed also, it has this red cable, it ends here, this red cable, sorry, this one, as I knew, you connected it with you know, when you go to reverse, so you connect this in the wire, where you see when you put your car in reverse, you see the back of the car, it gives a light, white colored light. So you put this there, so when you go to in reverse, this camera activated, sorry, so you can park or something like this. So it comes also with another thing for the camera, which in the back side, this is something which you can make it fixed sorry, so you can fix it in the back of the car, and just with 2 nails you make it real fixed in your car. So, and it's actually clear when you see the camera here, it's really clear. So, and this is actually the charger. It's a real long one, you can just put it, and then you can find a way from the car until in order not to be shown it has a bad view of this cable coming with your car from up to down or something. You can just put it in where the mirror is, and then it goes up and then down. I will make another video when I make it in my car to show it to you how it works. But actually I tried to connect it to the cable, the normal cable, to my computer. You can use it also as a webcam actually to your normal computer, or you can just, when you want to connect it to the computer, you can just download all the videos which on the SD card in case you don't have a place to put your SD card in your computer or your laptop.